Very good evening traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. For past 2 days we have not released any videos. So let me record a fresh video about our MST iCore 2.0. We all know how this indicator is working and I will once again explain you from the scratch. To access our indicator, you have to follow three things. First one is go to the tradingview.com and create one free account. I again say free. Yes, you are heard right. It's free, completely free account. You don't have to subscribe for any of the premium plans available in the tradingview.com. Secondly, go to the YouTube and search for MST School of Trading and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Watch our videos. If it is worth, like it. If you have any comments to be appreciated or if you have any question to be asked, you can very well comments over there. And also join our Telegram channel named MST School of Trading. And third one, our indicator is not a free indicator. It's available on a subscription basis. Okay, so once you want to access our indicator, you have to subscribe it, then only you will get it in the invite only mode. Now once the market is opening, like I am showing you now, see here, now market has opened. Once the market has opened, immediately we will be getting 5 lines, top 2 lines and bottom 2 lines. I am keeping in default settings. Here once again coming here, I am keeping in default mode. Now you see, if the market is going to the top side, that is the sell zone, then we will have to buy put options. If the market is coming down to buy zone, we have to buy call option. What is preferred one? ITM 200 points ITM is preferred. Okay. And secondly, if SL hit in one side, you have to go for the other side. Suppose say you have taken here put option and SL hit, immediately you have to buy call option in the reversal side so that you can recover your loss on the same day and you can exit the market with profit of the day. Similarly, if you are taking a call option here and instead of giving the target, if it gives the loss here, SL hit, then you will have to take the put option once the market is breaching this second line. So this is the basic funda of our MST iCore 2.0. If you follow this with the default settings consistently with a 100% discipline, then you will get 100% result. So whatever be the indicator, it is not 100% damn proof. Sometimes it will make you loss also, but any indicator which gives you more profit than the loss, then it is good for you. So that is how we are telling you always to treat this as a business, not as a gambling. Okay. Now let me show you. Now we are ready with the premium. What is the premium? 46,164 is the entry. So 46,200 is the put option is the ATM value. So 200 points above 46,500 put option is the premium value. Premium what we are strike price we are supposed to choose if the market is going upside. Here 45,800 is the ATM price. 200 points down, that is 45,600 call option is the strike price. We have to choose if the market is coming down here first. Once again I tell you, if buy activated there is no sell, if sell activated there is no buy until SL hit. You don't have to trade in all the signals what you are getting. Trade only once per day, book the profit and exit from the market. Don't sit onto the system always, you will have to lose all your earned profit. Always protect your capital first, also protect your earned profit what you have already made it from the market. And do not hesitate to take the reversal entry if SL hit. If both side also SL hit, don't worry, next day you will get good profit. So now once again I am running. As I told you, we are ready with put option as well as the call option. Now you see what happened to the market. Exactly sell activated and our strike price to be executed at the price, that is the whatever is the market running price, LTP, CMP, current market price, that you have to take when the market is touching this area. Once sell is activated, go to the settings and remove the buy and enable the sell targets. Also enable second buy targets, because if SL hit, you have to take the reversal entry, do not forget. So by default there will be 3 targets. If you want, you can add more number of targets from the options what we have given in the system. Now you see first target hit, second target hit, third target also hit. That's all. If the market is giving you more profit, you take the profit from the market. How can you assume that it will go more down? Because I don't know till what level it will go. So for that we have given the extra facilities in our indicator. So what are the extra facilities we have, that you can understand from this video very clearly. The first one is we have something called MST trend zone. See here, this MST trend zone indicates the trend of the market. See here, it has breached here with high volume candles, so that you can remain in the same side what you have taken the trade. So now exactly all our 6 targets have been hit. Okay, now I am removing the MST trend zone, and another features what we have, a P trend. This P trend indicates overall trend of the market in a positional. So that also comes in 45,928. Once the 45,928 is broken, we can find a tremendous fall in the market. That is what have happened here. Hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, you can ask us. We will be helping you in clearing all your doubts. So now I will take the screenshot of this. And many people have asked me about commodity trading also. So I will show you the crude oil features. Once again I will close this. I will go to the indicator settings. I will show you what has happened in last few trading session. Yeah, see here what happened. Perfectly buy has been triggered here at this junction at 8th February. So what is the entry point? 6123. What is the high made? So up to here 200 points profit, and up here 6,400, 300 points profit in just 2 trading session. And yesterday sell got activated, all the targets hit, and previous day buy got activated and all the targets hit. So what else you are expecting from this indicator? So this is how our indicator is working in a very good perfect manner. The only thing is you have to follow with the discipline. If you have the discipline, then you will get a profit. If you don't have the discipline, then no one can bring you profit. So patience is important role, so that you can achieve many things. So if you have any doubts, please feel free to contact us on the given numbers 9500009154. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy, profitable day ahead.